Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram feed to Wix. All right. First up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Add Apps. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to the search bar and type in Instagram feed. All right. Hit on enter. And as you can see here, we have the Instagram feed, which is new. You have other options as well. Okay. You have Instagram feed social, social media feed, Instagram stream, and some other options. So let's just go ahead and try this one, social media feed. Click on it. I got to click on add to site. Agree. And just wait for it to load. Okay. Once it loads, here we have the social media feed. Now just go ahead over to settings. Here we have the pop-up. And the dashboard will load. Okay. And here in these tabs, just click on connect. Select Instagram. And here you have two options. We have basic connection that will display your Instagram post by connecting your Instagram account, and advanced connection right here, which will display stories, post, and also reels by using your Facebook business account. All right. I'm just going to use basic connection and then continue with Instagram. Pop-up window will show. Now just go ahead and log in with your Instagram account. It will ask you to change to professional account if your Instagram account is set to the normal profile. Okay, just click on change. Then go ahead and use either creator or business. Just going to use creator. Hit on connect right here, the blue button. Next, next, continue. Agree, allow. All right, just basically follow the simple prompts. And once done, wait for it. There you go. And there you have it. Here I have my posts in here. Just hit on done. Done. All right. As you can see here, I have my post in my Instagram profile. And there you have it. And that's how you add Instagram feed to Wix. You can go ahead and add in some more content, design, and connect other apps as well. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.